What the hell?
What are the rules for the game?
I'm not a murderer. And do you expect me to kill them with my bare hands? I don't want to be running away from murder.
Well, at least let me get a head start. Oh shit, I got to move.
Hide away.
Gulp. I'm not ready to die.
We can always work together. Well, I'm on my own.
Pedro, stop crying and move. Well, Suzy, let's team up.
Sir, I guess.
Wow, 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 wow.